Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are making the most favorite recipe of the children, that is marshmallow. So for that I have took 1 cup of sugar in a pan, then add 1/4 cup of water to it and keep it for cooking until it melts completely. Then in a bowl I am taking 2 tablespoons of agar agar, then add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of water, so that let the agar agar set itself. Okay, you can see I've added the water. So you can see here now sugar is start melting slowly, so let it melt and you can see this setting somewhat, it leaves all the water. You can see the consistency of the sugar. Now we will test the sugar is perfect or not. You can see that when we drop the sugar syrup in the water, it will form some ball like structure, so it is known that it is correctly formed. Then add the agar agar to the sugar syrup, then stir continuously in a slow flame, so that you get the perfect mixture of the marshmallow. You can see it's boiling, then take it in a bowl. So after taking in a bowl, mix it for a while, for 1 to 2 minutes, so that it comes to the a warm temperature. We don't need so hot. Then beat it with the electronic blender until it forms the white foamy mixture. You will see that it is forming the white mixture. When we dip it out, it forms the ribbon like structures, so it is known that it is perfectly done. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, or you can even add your favorite essence also. So it is somewhat a messy type work, but it's really taste good and the most favorite recipe of the children's. So you can see it's done completely. And if you are buying outside or the online, you will get around for 300-400 rupees, but in the home when you are making, you will get in just 30 to 40 rupees around. So I have took here a container, so that I'll grease it with the oil, or you can even use your ghee, so that it won't stick to the container. Then I will dust the container with the icing sugar. So you can see here I'm dusting it with the icing sugar. Apply to all the parts so that it won't get stick. So tap it once so that it spreads evenly all over the container. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And now take the mixture of the sugar which we have made from the agar agar. So take some part of the mixture in the container. You can see that how foamy it is. So now set it to the container, or you can do with your spoon, or you can even tap it so that it evenly spread all over the corners of the container. Do comment in box if you have tried before, how it was taste, and try this recipe. In just 30 to 40 rupees you will get the awesome taste. So now I am adding the color essence, that is 2 to 3 drops of color essence. I am using here blue color, or you can even, the marshmallows will get in the colors of blue, pink, white. So I am using the contrast color of white and blue. So now I'll whisk it for 1 to 2 minutes, so the color gets evenly mixed it up. So you can see it is now done. So when it is done, the color, so baby blue color we can call, as we call that baby pink, and this is called baby blue color, just satisfying color. So when it is done, now this blue color mixture, we'll take it to the same container. It becomes somewhat messy, but it really tastes so good. Now spread the mixture all over the container and tap it once or twice so that it evenly spreads itself. Then close the lid and refrigerate it for 6 to 8 hours. So you can see I have done it and brought it out. So you can see how it's formed completely so spongy, fluffy. Now I'm dusting with icing sugar so that we don't get sticky. Share to your friends the new recipe. For the first time I have tried this and got the awesome flavor. Then I am just removing the edges so that it discharges from the container. Now take a plate and keep it upside and down so that it leaves. You can see, wow, how nice it has come out. So spongy, fluffy, soft. The tastiest marshmallow is ready. Now I will again dust it with the icing sugar. Now I'll be cutting into the pieces. You can take your own shapes as you want. I'll just cut it into a square shapes. You can see how messy it becomes while cutting. It needs some time so that you get the correct shapes for that. Just apply to the sides and all the icing sugar. Do share your response in the comment box, so let me know how it was, the new recipe. You can see I'm cutting into the square shapes. See how fluffy it is. I've cut it all the pieces into a shape. So now just dust it with icing sugar and take it in a container so that the sugar powder get mixed with all the pieces. And you can keep it for a week, or you can have it daily. It stays forever. So you can see the tastiest marshmallow is ready. Do make in your home, make your kids happy. Thank you. Bye bye.